What is going on, guys? It's another snack review, and I was able to pick up the second limited edition flavor of the Lay's new chips that have been put out. The first one was the Doritos Ranch version, flavor-wise, and you can find that video down below in the description box. I'll have the link so you can check that one out in my review on this one, on that one. But I found the other flavor. There's three total. There's the Funyuns, but I found the Cheetos. There's three different flavors. I had the ranch one, and I've had the, now I'm gonna have the Cheeto one, but I can't find the damn Funyun one. So, okay, let's give this a go. Goes up to right here, but this seems like it has a little bit more chips than the actual Ranch Dorito one, the Lay's X Dorito. So a lot more in the bag. So this is really cool. I actually got this at 5 and below, so I didn't get this at Food Max, and I got it at 5 below. So now I got to track down the funny ones, but I would think you would get more smell of the Cheetos cheese, but you honestly get more potato smell, like the Lay's potato chips, the actual Lay's potato chips that they put out there, they sell. That's the smell you get. So no smell really of the Cheetos smell. So I do like the waviness to it. Look at that. Look at that waviness. You do see the little cheese, the cheddar. But I like the shape of these guys. I think it's gonna have a nice little crisp crunch. Yep, still potato smell. So let's give it a go and let's try these out. Are these better than Doritos Ranch? I gotta give them another. I gotta try one more. I gotta try another one before I give my opinion here. Boom. No. Yeah. These are weak. These are weak sauce, son. These are weak sauce. When I expect a Lay's crossover with Cheetos, I expect some cheese into it. I expect to taste that bold flavor that Cheeto is known for. They're known for also their texture, but I want the flavor with the Lay's chip. I'm gonna give it one more try. To say that, you know, at least I tried. We're gonna give it one more try. No, so the first initial bite, it's like super quick. You get just like maybe a tease of that Cheeto taste that we all know and love. And then it goes straight to Lay's potato chips. It's exactly what I thought. The smell is Lay's potato chips. The taste is Lay's potato chips. There is nothing Cheeto about this. I am super absolutely disappointed. So if I had to rate this, it's a 0 because there's nothing new about this flavor. There's nothing new about it. It tastes like a Lay's potato chip. It doesn't have that Cheetos bold flavor that I wanted. So far, the Doritos Ranch one, at least they gave you that Doritos Ranch flavor. That's a win, but this one's a fail. This is a 0 out of 5, 0 out of 10. I was absolutely disappointed by this. Don't buy this if you like potato chips, you know, lazy, you want a little, I guess, cheese to it, then go ahead, but this is a waste. So let's see if I could track down the Funyuns and see if that one at least gives you that nice Funyun taste to it. I don't like onions, but for some reason I like Funyuns. So Cheetos, Lay's, combined efforts was a fail. 0 out of 5, 0 out of 10. Super disappointed, but that's what we do. We try different kind of things, you know. It's the world with different kind of snacks. So thank you guys for listening. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. You can find that Doritos Ranch review down below in the description box. Go ahead and push that link and you'll be able to watch that video. Be sure to push a like on that one and this video, and also hit the bell icon. The bell icon will notify you with all the videos I come out with. And I have a second channel if you guys want to go check that out. It is all about Funko Pops and collectibles. If you want to go see that, that will be down below in the description box as well. It's called Find Me Toys, and just started that one up. So I'm Dana Manic and Dana's son. Disappointed this time. We'll try next time.